Hey guys, how's it going today? This is a review for the Eufy L60 Robot Vacuum. Do you hate grubby corners behind all those plants, dog beds, small tables, chairs, magazine baskets that it's just so hard to move while jostling around a 20-pound vacuum and heavy, noisy power head? You hate the racket your canister or upright vacuum makes? Try out this amazing little machine. Vacuuming has never been so much fun. I first purchased the Eufy L60 after doing much research and spending time communicating with Eufy. Took all of 2 minutes to get it out of the box, set it up, attach brushes, and get it on the charger. I let it charge overnight. The next morning I hit the perimeter button and off it went. I scooted around in front of it, pulling baskets, dog crates, cat scratching pads, shoes, plants, magazine baskets away from the edges of the wall, while it came along after me and cleaned places I probably haven't reached in some time. Then hit the automatic button, and as it made its way around the room, I replaced stuff along the walls. How easy could that be? Although there's no need to move everything every time I vacuum, it's so easy that I often find myself moving a lot. If the phone rings, no need to shut off the vacuum. It's no louder than a desk fan, and I can easily talk on the phone or listen to the news on TV. My 2,000 square cape home has mostly medium-height carpeting. Even in the kitchen and dining areas, breakfast area, and formal dining room, it also has tile hallways, bathrooms, hardwood 2 of 3 bedrooms, and brick family room with a large area rug. Eufy tackles it all. Its little corner brushed do scatter the birdseed on the bricks, but it seems to manage to pick it all up. Eventually, as it makes several passes in every area when on auto, the amount of pet hair it picks up is astounding, as is the amount of fine dust it captures. I have allergies, and this is a blessing. I do clean the brush roller and the dustbin frequently, usually with every full-time vacuuming. This vacuum will last at least an hour unless I put it on the half-hour single-room cycle. The dustbin empties easily into the trash without dust flying all over the place. With the included brush and a couple of strokes, I gently brush off the filter, and haven't yet replaced any. It takes a couple of minutes to slice through the hair wound around the brush roller and pick it off, using the included comb and my fingers. So easy to do this with a little vac that you can set on the kitchen counter. Turn off the power switch. On the bottom first, 3 minutes to clean it up, turn back on, set near the base, and send it home. Wipe off the kitchen counter and you're done. No need to struggle to get the canister vac. Its heavy power head and wand and hose back into a closet somewhere. Eat it upstairs. Carry it up under one arm. It's never fallen down the stairs. Because Eufy is so quiet and convenient, I vacuum the most used areas much more often than I would with my heavy conventional vacuums. There is probably no doubt that the suction on the canister or upright is stronger, but because I use Eufy so often, up to several times a week in high traffic areas, no time for shoes to grind leaves and dirt into the carpeting. The magnetic strips that come with this unit can be helpful when I have last-minute company coming for dinner, so I let Eufy loose while I'm cooking and want it in that area, but not under my feet. Otherwise, I simply close doors to keep it where I want it. I've learned how to position chairs around the dining tables so Eufy can scoot around legs and under the rungs. It's doing a great job of cleaning under everything. It only got stuck once, hung up on a wire dog crate handle, so I've adjusted that. And it easily finds its way back to the base. If I guide it back to the right end of the house, when I'm done in the more distant regions. Highly recommended if you guys have any more questions on it, just leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.